So hello everyone. I think everybody been there. After a long day of work, or after traveling, doing exercising, running, you will take your shoes off at the end of the day, or when you are visiting someone, and you will smell that awful smell, that embarrassing smell, like when someone take their shoes off, and you will smell that awful smell that will like go everywhere, and that's the smell of sweat in your socks that bacteria causes it. And there was like a smart company that used pure silver to get rid of the bacteria that grow on your socks. So they are called Y Athletics. This company uses silver threads to kill bacteria. I will include the link in the description down below for a video to show you silver kills bacteria in microscopic level. So this is version 1 of the socks, and they just include silver down, so it wasn't like the whole socks. But in version 2, which was created last year, it have the silver all over the socks, which is really good because that will ensure that you won't have any bad smell. So silver actually, like when it contacts with bacteria, it will kill it instantly, so you won't have any bad smell. And I wore this pair, like I had a pair that I tried for a whole month, so I can give you my honest opinion about it. So I had this for a whole month, and I wore it day after day, and it never smelled. And when you receive it, I got 3 pairs, so this is my 3rd pair. And when you receive it in sealed bag, so it's not like you need to tear it up into it, so you know that you are getting something fresh. And so this is how it's like. So these are fresh pair, and they are really amazing. And their price is just like, for one pair is $20, so you're getting a good deal. And they are like from the top to the bottom, they are also like have silver threads, and they have merino wool, so it's really soft and comfortable. So this is version 2, so they took what was bad in the version 1 and they improved it and fixed it, and they guarantee that for 12 months that it will, like if it tears or anything happen to it, they will replace it for free. So that's really good. So I will include the link in the description down below if you want to buy one for you. And if you like this video, please share it. And if you have any question, leave them in the comment section down below. And please subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Bye.